What's going on, everyone? My name is Jonah Cowie, and over the past 2 years I've been creating the most epic cinematic content here on YouTube. And today I'm here to teach you. The first thing you want to think about is your camera settings. Now I recommend you put your camera into 24 FPS or 23.95 whatever. You may be thinking, why I want to shoot at the highest FPS possible, don't I? But every single movie these days is shot at 24 FPS, so I highly recommend this is what you do. Next step is shoot at golden hour. This is sunset or sunrise. This is just when your lighting will look the best in your footage. And it's pretty much foolproof. You can't really go wrong when you're shooting at this time of day. Next would be variety in your shots. A lot of people shoot the exact same focal length all the time. Look at this shot where I go wide and then boom, right into a close-up of the grass. And it works. It shows detail, but yet you still see the wide. Also, if you're shooting cinematically, don't be afraid to shoot handheld. A lot of people are just afraid to shoot handheld because they think they need to be stable all the time. But look at these clips. These were all shot handheld. I shoot all the time handheld. It's just the best. So I hope you guys learned a little something about how to get some more cinematic footage. It's a really quick tutorial, but I hope you guys all had something to learn. Once again, my name is Jonah Cowie. Definitely check out my channel for more epic cinematic videos, get you guys inspired. We will see you in the next one. Peace, guys.